Hey guys, I'm here at the lab, and today we're going to go behind the scenes and show you how I created my Pearl Radiance Primer. So here's the final product. I made sure to create a primer that is long-lasting, oil-free, water-based, and just something that will make your skin glow, have a soft focus on it, looks great in person, and looks great in photos. I'm going to show you what ingredients go in there and what the process is like, so continue watching. So there are two phases in creating the Pearl Radiance Primer. Phase 1 is the water phase, and phase 2 is where we add the emulsifiers and the emollients. In phase 1, we're going to take the water and combine gums and moisturizers to give my product viscosity and texture. We decided to use a great alternative to glycol, plant-based humectant instead, for added hydration. We decided to add Grancel 9. This unique ingredient actually creates a barrier that defends against free radicals and also helps seal in good-for-you ingredients. As you can see, after applying this to the back of my hand, it provides a matte appearance and a soft focus overlay. Now we're on to phase 2, where we've added the emollients and emulsifiers, and we decided to add silica to this phase as well. This particular silica is unique in a way that it has the smallest particle size, it has oil absorption and light diffusing properties. Allows our primer to have elegant silky texture, increased payoff, and enhanced slip, which promotes better blendability for your skin. Most importantly, it scatters enough light to diminish the look of fine lines on the skin while letting enough light through so the look of the skin remains natural. Once the product cools down, we add the preservatives to it and then a final touch of pearl to boost luminosity and the final application.